In the following video, we're going to look at some of the rules for naming simple organic molecules. There'll oftentimes be a long hydrocarbon chain. We call that the parent chain. Notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons in the parent chain. Oftentimes, coming off the parent chain, we have branches. We call those branches substituents. So this here, that's a substituent, and that's a substituent. Substituents, that is, groups branching off the parent chain, have the suffix "il" or "o". For example, methyl, chloro. This is methyl. It has 1 carbon. This is chloro. For multiple identical substituents, use di, tri, and tetra. For example, dimethyl would indicate 2 methyl groups. Trichloro would indicate 3 chlorines. Here's some additional rules. Number the parent chain so substituents and multiple bonds have the lowest possible number. Multiple bonds take priority over substituents. What I mean by that is you'll either want to number this left to right or right to left. Remember, we said that there were 5 carbons. And then secondly, substituents should be listed in alphabetical order. We have 2 substituents, remember, methyl and chloro. Now, will we want to number this chain left to right or right to left? If we number it right to left, you'll discover that these 2 substituents will have lower numbers. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, and carbon number 5. So if we number it right to left, you'll discover that our substituents are located on carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. If we number the other way, our substituents would be on carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. That's no good. We want these substituents to have the lowest possible number, so we'll number right to left. Here's a few more rules we should be aware of. When writing the name, commas are used to separate numbers. Hyphens are used to separate numbers from words. So in this molecule here, we know we have 5 carbons. 5 carbons, the parent chain is called pentane. We learned that in the previous video. And we have 2 substituents. Chloro, which is coming off the 1st carbon, and methyl, which is coming off the 4th carbon. So we have 1 chloro. 1 tells us which carbon chloro is bonded to. 4 methyl, this 4 tells us that the methyl group, that's here, is bonded to the 4th carbon. And pentane, remember, is the name of this parent chain. So 1 chloro, 4 methyl pentane.